Hey guys, so today's video will be an unboxing. I have two Louis Vuitton products right here, and of course safety first. So normally the Louis Vuitton items comes in you know, these type of boxes, so you could just rip it open. There we go. You could just rip it open, and yes, this box has been quarantined for like a week and couple of days, and here we go. You got the big Louis Vuitton, whatever. I'll take it out the box first, you know, make it easier. Comes with the envelope with the receipt. There we go. So we're gonna discard this. In the trash. You know what? Let me try to fold it back the way. And I'll open the other one as well. Same thing, rip in the corner. The Louis Vuitton sign. Yeah, this is a small one. Oh, they put the bow on this one. How cute. This is a small purchase, and you know, the receipt with the return label just in case you want to return it, but I don't think I'm going to be returning it. Put that in the trash. Let's begin this video. Alright, so this is the receipt of your purchase. You know, it comes in this type of envelope. And also the return label is here as well in case you don't like your, you know, your item. I don't think Louis Vuitton has like a limit with the return policy. I don't think, probably like 30 to 90 days, but I don't see no limit on their website. I never really returned nothing from them before, but I don't really think they have a limit. Okay, here's the box. Oh man, my box ripped. I don't know if you can see it, but basically ripped. Okay, all right, the box update, well, upgraded, because before they never really had the, before wasn't this magnetic box. It was, maybe that's why the price went up, because the price did go up for all Louis Vuitton items. Well, I guess some Louis Vuitton items. Yeah, it seemed like what we're paying for is this magnetic box. It wasn't magnetic before. I don't know, it must be something new. So, you know, here's the bag that it comes in. Damn, why does it look like somebody done open up the package already? They just toss it in there. This is the bowstring. The dust bag. We'll take it out the dust bag. Here we go. Oh, so basically what I ordered, I forgot to tell you what it is I ordered. I basically ordered a toiletry. This is like my second toiletry. The first toiletry that I ordered, I actually sold it. So this is like the second one. Here we go. A regular Louis Vuitton toiletry. In the size 26. I always like a toiletry. It's, you know, pretty nice and simple. You could just toss some things in it and, you know, keep it pushing. So this is the inside. I'm gonna take out this little bag. Well, this little paper on the inside. And what else we got in here? These little two things with the, you know, merchandise number. I know some people look for the, where is it, the code. Where is it? Oh, where? Oh. I guess they don't put the codes no more. Okay, yeah, no code. Okay. Okay, no code. All right, so love the toiletry. It's easy wear. You know, some females wear it like this. Some females just wear it like this. I normally prefer to wear it like this. You know, put your items inside on the go. Let's get to the next the next item. Right here, small box. Untie it. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna really be regifting it, so you know, I don't have to untie it no special way. Okay, this one, I guess because it's small, it doesn't have the magnetic feature, but I think that's the reason why the price went up. I think we're really paying for that magnetic box, because for this item I just paid a regular price. This is the key holder. There we go, a little baby key holder. Oh, it's like the key holder. I think it's cute, you know. I think I got the 4 holder one. It's pretty nice and cute. There we go. Yeah, the 4 holder key holder. It even smells good. This one smells good. This one, I think this was a return. Alright, come on, Louis. Why y'all send me a return? The box looked funny. It's okay though. I'll still keep the product. You know? But yeah, this, it's so cute. You know, I just put my 4 little keys in the car keys and keep it pushing. I always liked the key holder. So of course the key holder would definitely be going in here. Boop. And call it a day. So yeah, that's my unboxing with the Louis Vuitton products. I love the key holder. I'm surprised they didn't put the stamp on it. I'm gonna have to see what's going on. Yeah, I'm surprised I didn't have no stamp on it. They sent me a fake. They sent me a replica. They stopped putting stamps on it. I gotta look for my stamp. Where's my stamp at? Where's my stamp at? I gotta look for it. Alright, so that's all for this video. Check out my next video and I'll speak to y'all later. Hope you guys be safe and enjoy the evening. Bye. Alright, so we was looking for the code for this item and we end up finding it. It's like they don't even make the code stand out no more. It's like all the way in the corner. Hey guys, so today video will be, wait, start over.
Do you want me to fix it?
Yes, my Louis Vuitton need fixing. I'm gonna do some, I don't know, I don't even have that much Louis Vuitton. I rotate my closet. Ladies, it's important to rotate your closet. Even if you're like buying something new, get rid of the old. Okay, so we gotta go. All right, catch you in my next video. Bye.